This is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and in today's video I'll show how you can set up your portable Wi-Fi hotspot on this device. To start, you will need to launch Settings. Here find and enter the Connections category. That's the first one you'll see. Then go into the Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. That's how you enable your mobile hotspot. That's how you disable it. Tap on it to open its properties and settings. Here you can see the amount of mobile data that you have shared today. You can change your network SSID or its name, its password, the band that it shares the Wi-Fi through, and the security protocol here. Just overall change the preferences. You can also set up the automatic routines and rules for it to be automatically enabled or disabled at certain scenarios. You can put it into the one-time password mode. And well, that'll be more or less it, guys. So thanks for watching. Or before I actually finish, once enabled, you can also share it through this convenient QR code. So that will be about it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.